Before you start using Alias, familiarize yourself with the interface. The default interface includes menus, the palette, the prompt line, the control panel, and the work area. Menus include basic application operations, organization and environment setting commands, and commands related to user and application preferences. The palette contains the tools that you use to create, edit, and evaluate objects. Alias selection is not a default command, so it is also available as the pick tool set. Otherwise, tools are organized by geometry type. Tools with a yellow arrow represent tool groups. Click and hold a tool with a yellow arrow to display the group. When you select a tool from the group, it becomes the representation of the group in the tab. Double-click a tool to see tool options. When you select a tool, the tool remains active until you select another tool. After you select a tool, the prompt line guides you with instructions for the next step. It also displays error messages and alphanumeric input. Control panels provide you with options related to your selected workflow. Alias has 3 distinct workflow environments: Paint, Modeling, and Visualize, plus the default environment, which is a combination of the 3. When you change the workflow, the options on the control panel change. The available options also reflect the selected object. When you modify options in the control panel, the effect appears on the object in real time. The area below the control panel provides evaluation options. The work area displays modeling and paint windows. You can work with several windows open at the same time. Every window is a 3D workspace that can be orthographic, perspective, or perspective with orthographic faces. On the Layouts menu, preset window views are available. Once you become familiar with Alias, you will want to make use of marking menus and shelves to help you work more efficiently. Marking menus are gesture-based menus that you can display at your cursor for quick access to commonly used tools. Hold down the Control and Shift keys and press the left, right, and middle mouse buttons to display them. Drag to select a menu item. Shelves are customizable tool panels. This is the default shelf. Create your own shelves containing the tools you use most often, or group them according to your workflows. To customize and organize your shelves, the middle mouse button is key. Drag a tool with the middle mouse button from the palette to add it to a shelf. Drag a tool with the middle mouse button to change its position on a shelf or to move it to the trash. Alias consists of floating components which you can organize as you want. Shift-drag the title bar to attach the palette, shelves, control panel, and some windows to each other so you can move and close them as a group. Collapse and expand windows by clicking the title bar. Click the resize icon to resize the window to fit the contents. Click the menu icon on the title bar and select Auto Hide to collapse or expand the windows automatically. With Auto Hide selected, only the title bar displays until you move your cursor over it. You can also shift-drag title bars to embed the palette, shelves, control panel, and some windows to the edges of the application window so they move with the application window. Quickly organize your palette and shelves by selecting the Palette Shelves Layout option box from the Preferences menu.